Good evening and welcome to Learn Something. Are you into faceless content creation, or you want to go into faceless creation? Or do you want to create an AI movie just like this?
Good to see you, Lily.
Likewise.
For the future mission.
Or like this. Okay, now, if this is what you want to create, I'm happy to welcome you to my channel because I will be doing justice to this particular AI video creation. How you can start it from scratch and how you can create a full-fledged AI creation. Like I said, you are welcome to learn something. So without any further waste of time, I'm going to be telling you the tools that you are going to be needing in order to create a full-fledged AI video. Now, one of those tools is what you already know called ChatGPT. This is the tools you are going to be using to create the prompt that will enable you to generate the video. Now, another tools you are going to use to generate the video is called the Grok AI. I believe you also heard of this before. It's called the Grok AI. You can use the Grok AI to generate the video. That is, if you copy what ChatGPT gives to you, you paste it on Grok AI. Grok AI will convert that text, which we call prompt, into video for you. Now, another we are going to be using to join those videos together. Now, one thing I want you to know, when Grok is generating those videos for you, they don't generate more than 10 seconds per scene. So imagine you are having a video creation that you are going to be having up to 100 scenes. So how are you going to combine those scenes if Grok only create 10 seconds per scene? If, for example, you have scene 1, 10 seconds, scene 2, 10 seconds, scene 3, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, as the case may be. Now, how are you going to combine them? That is where the third tool comes in, called Microsoft Claimchamp. It's called Microsoft Claimchamp. So you are going to be using Microsoft Claimchamp to generate that, to combine those 10 seconds in order for them to become one video. If you combine 6 10 seconds video, it becomes 1 minute video. If you combine 12, it becomes 2 minutes video. And Microsoft Claimchamp is going to be helping you to do justice to that. So these are the 3 basic tools that we are going to be using to create this AI video, in which you can post on YouTube for your faceless content and you will make good money from it. Before I proceed, I will encourage you to please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Above all, click the notification bell so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified and you will get informed by it. So now I also have what I call master prompt. I call it master prompt. I'm going to copy it and put it in ChatGPT. What I'm telling ChatGPT is this: any video you want to create for me, follow this instruction that is above. So I will, towards the end of the video, I'm going to be telling you where you are going to get this prompt from. So please follow me as I proceed. So I call it master prompt. I just copy it, right, Control A, copy, and I'll come to ChatGPT and paste it here. Now I've pasted it here. Anything I'm going to be doing now, any prompt I'm going to be generating now is going to follow the rules of this master prompt. For example, in this video, I want English names. I don't want local names. I want the settings to be in Lagos or Abuja. There are 2 female best friends. So these are the instructions I give to ChatGPT. So as time goes on, what you are going to do is when you copy this prompt, edit it to your own taste. For example, you may want native name, but in this case, I wanted English name. You can put native name or put any name, any kind of name you want ChatGPT to generate for you. My own is Lagos. Your own can be United States of America. My own is 2 friends. Your own can be 4 friends, can be 5 friends, depending on what you are instructing ChatGPT to do for you. So now, after doing that, I will now come to the end of the prompt. I will now say, okay, using the above instruction, or you can also say master prompt, create a 3 minutes 3 minutes movie for me. After that, I will take the enter button or the send button. I will take it and wait for ChatGPT to generate. So you can see it's already generating. So every instruction is following is this instruction above. You understand now? Is the master prompt I copied and pasted. That is the instruction ChatGPT is following. You can see, all right, this will be typed cinematic, 3 minutes, supernatural, trade, cryptic, blah, 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 blah. So please don't forget to edit the prompt to suit your own taste. Okay. Now, the title of the movie is The Whisper That Followed. Now, we have scene 1, Lagos Street in the evening. You understand? So you can see camera slowly dolls forward. Okay. Now, those are contained in the master prompt. I instructed it to follow, to use camera very well. So it's going to create this prompt now and instruct Grok to do everything that I want. So I will copy it. Sorry if I'm too fast. I just want the video not to be too long. I'm not to bug you with so many talk. So I will copy scene 1. You have to be careful. Okay, scene 1 stop at where? Okay, this is where scene 1 stopped. I will right click and I will take copy. Now I will come to Grok AI. Bring it out. I'll come to it. Take your imaging. Click on imaging. Now this is where you are going to be careful if you are not used to Grok. Now you can use it to create either image or you can use it to create video. But in our case, we want to create video. You can also decide to create video. Let me say create. Who do I want to create now? Create a pastor image, and I will hit enter. Try to generate an image, pastor image. Now you can see. So you can also use it. You can also use Grok to generate a very powerful image. So you can choose anyone you want. But in this case now we want to generate video. So you must make sure you click on video. You must click on video. Now the resolution we are going to be using, we have 2 options. We have 480 and we have 720. I will be using 480 for this tutorial. Reason being that it's going to be faster in generating. Now 720 is the best resolution to use because it's clearer and it's more powerful, but it's slower in generating. And I believe by now you already know why, because it's trying to put every bit of information to place. Now you have duration, you have 6 seconds, you have 10 seconds. The highest is 10 seconds. If I want to create video, I always leave it at 10 seconds. Now you have the orientation, or what I call the aspect ratio. You have to be very, very careful. If you want to create a YouTube short, you are going to be using 9:16. That is for YouTube short. But if you are going to be creating a video, what YouTube call video, that is not a short video, you are going to be using 16:9. And in this case now, I want to create a movie. You don't expect me to use 9:16. So now 9:16 aspect ratio is vertical for a phone. Now 16:9 is horizontal for both phone and system. That is computer. You understand? So I'm going to be using aspect ratio 16:9. As a way of summary, when you open Grok and you take imaging, it will bring you to this place. Now you take your video, you take your 480 or 720 as the case may be as a resolution. Now duration, you take either 6 seconds or 10 seconds as the case may be. Now your aspect ratio, you either take 16 over ratio 9 or 9 ratio 16, depending on the kind of video you want to create, whether it is short or whether it is video in YouTube. Now, you remember I already copied my prompt in scene 1 from ChatGPT. I will now come to this place where you are seeing your plus. You will right click and take paste. Now after pasting, you will now hit this button in order for it to start generating this particular button. You hit it and you wait for it to generate. So in order not to waste your time, I will pause this video for it to finish generating, then we'll come back. I'll be right back. So you are welcome back. Now the video has been created. You can see. Let me play it for you to hear.
Sophia, I told you. Something followed me back from up here.
So you can see there's already a problem with this video. You can see that there's already a problem with this video because the girl was saying something that no one can understand. Supposedly, it's supposed to be English, but he's speaking something that you cannot understand. Don't forget, this is AI. There is still room for improvement. They are still improving, so don't expect perfection from them. So I will now by myself try to instruct try to instruct Grok on what to say so that everybody can hear. You can say, it says, Sophia, I told you. This is where he calls Sophia. I told you something followed me from something followed me back from Abuja. That's what he wanted to say, but he could not get it right. So what I normally do is where I'm seeing these three dots, I will remove it and put comma. Okay. Something followed me from Abuja. Okay. I will hit enter again. I'll click on this button again for it to generate again if it will be perfect this time. So please, I am not here to sugarcoat you. I'm not here to tell you that it's going to be easy. I'm going to tell you the way it is. Sometimes to create one scene, you can spend up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes just trying to get a particular scene perfect. You understand? Now, you don't want people to watch your video and never want to come back to your channel. So you are expecting perfection. And so as you are creating video, you must give it the right kind of prompt. If one is not good, correct it, go again. It's not good, correct it until you get what you want before you can save that video. Like the one I just did now, he says, Sophia, I told you that was correct, but every other thing he said after that, you and I could not interpret it, which means that is wrong. I cannot possibly save such video. So I will have to check where the problem is coming from, like I just did now. I remove those 3 dots. Over time, I've got to know that whenever you are seeing those 3 dots, you know those 3 dots stand for continuation of speech. You understand if you are an English student. Now, AI really don't understand those 3 dots very well. Over time, I come to know that. So I have removed it and I'm going to shoot the video again and see if it will say what I want it to say this time. So I will click on this enter button for it to generate again. And as usual, I'm going to pause this video. I'll be back. Okay, welcome back. Let's get it. Let's check if the error has been corrected. I'll play it. Unmute it.
I told you. Something followed me back from back.
Okay, meaning we still did not get it. So I could have just corrected it and play the correct one for you to see or to hear. No, I don't want to do that. I want both of us to correct it together, because when you are creating your video, then you will be able to know that, okay, this was what this instructor told me. So it's not just all about watching the video, it's all about facing real life situation. And this error you are seeing here now is a real life situation you must face. It's a must, you must face it. So let's try and correct it again. This intercut with, let's remove it. Okay, which other thing? Cynthia, Sophia, I told you something follow me back. Something follow me back. Okay. The speech is just our problem now. Every other thing is correct. I told you something follow me back. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Let's shoot this and see if it is correct this time. Okay, you are welcome back. Now, let's play it to see if the girl will say the right thing this time.
Fresh fruits! Cold drinks here!
Sophia, I told you, something followed me back from Abuja. So best prices, come look.
Okay, now you can see that he said the right thing this time. What we wanted her to say was the thing she said. But she now extended after the speech. She started saying something that you and I cannot even understand. Now, this is where you have to be careful. Now, it means that the speech that was given to the girl to say was not long enough. So after saying it, she still has some time out of the 10 seconds. So in order not to remain idle, the AI decided to give another speech to the girl to say. And she now said something that we don't want. Now, there are two solutions to this. One, if you know that that particular scene is a short scene that you don't want the scene to be too long, up to 10 seconds, it's not up to 10 seconds, you go to your what's it called? You go to your aspect ratio, you go to your duration, and you take 6 seconds. That's number one solution to that. Number two solution is for you to add more speech to this. For example, you said, Sophia, I told you something followed me back from Abuja. So you cannot decide to say, okay, I want to add something in order not to keep the girl idle after saying this. I don't want to keep the girl idle after saying this. So I want to add something to it. What do I add now? I am so scared now. I do not know what to do now. Okay. I've added something to it. Now I will now hit enter, or you click on this particular button, this black one, arrow pointing up, which signify enter also. You point on it and you wait for it to generate. So I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. Now let's play it and see again.
Sophia, I told you, something followed me back from Abuja. I am so scared now. I do not know what to do now.
Okay, now you can see that the girl was engaged from the beginning of the speech to the end of the scene. So there was no room left for AI to do what it likes. I don't know if you are understanding me now. Okay. Now, another thing you will notice in this video is what we created before is not always what will appear if you are making correction. For example, if you come here now, these are the scenes you will be creating that you don't like. If you take this one now,
Fresh fruits!
you can
Cold
see.
drinks here!
So you can see that the background setting of this previous video is different from the background setting of this particular one now. You can see now. So the good thing is this. People don't care how you produce what you are producing. What they care about is produce the best thing for me to watch. So how many times you created it is not their concern, but your final outcomes is what concerns them. So make your final outcome one of the best. You understand? So this guy has been able to say what we wanted it to say. So what do? I want to save it in my system. I want to save it in my laptop because I'm going to be needing it again. Remember I told you that Grok AI cannot produce more than 10 seconds per time. And there may be some cases whereby you are having up to 200 scenes. That's 210 seconds. So 10 seconds one, 10 seconds two, as the case may be. So I'm going to be saving this first scene as number one. I will right click and take save video. Another thing you can do is you can come here and take download. It will download and save in your download folder. But I don't like it that way. I normally right click and I will take save video. I wait for it to open. I can come to my desktop and create a particular folder. It's not a must, but for the sake of this tutorial, we just call it teaching. So it has opened. This one should be video 1. So I will save it. Now, another thing you should take note of that can help you produce video very fast is this. You can open Grok 1, Grok 2, Grok 3, Grok 4, Grok 5, Grok 6, as the case may be, so that you don't have to wait for one scene to generate before you start generating scene 2, before you start generating scene 3. By so waiting, you are wasting time. So what I normally do is this. I want to be generating 6 scenes at a time. So what do? I'll come here, open Grok again. I have one already. I'll open 2. This Grok 2, I'll open 3. This Grok 3, I'll open 4. This Grok 4, I'll open 5. You can go to your Google and download your Grok, or you can use your browser also. But I normally use the app. I'll open 6. Okay, now I've opened 6 Grok. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now scene 1 is already engaged. I already produced in scene 1. So I want to Grok 1 rather. I want to open Grok 2 now. I'll come to ChatGPT. I want to go and copy scene 2. Always start from the heading. Always start from the heading. This scene 2. I will right click and I will take copy. I'll come to Grok window 2 and I will take imaging. Wait for it to remember. I already explained all this one to you. So I don't want to bug you with too many talk again. I will right click and I will take paste and I will hit enter. I will come here. Just wait for it to start. I'm having a network challenge. Okay, that started generating. I'll come here again. I'll go to scene 3. Start from the heading to the okay. I'll stop at this is where scene 3 stop. Right click, take copy, go to Grok window 3. Grok window 3, take imaging. Wait for it to open. Okay, right click, take paste your prompt and take enter. You click on this enter button, this particular one. You can see it here. Okay, now you go to scene 4 and click on it. So that's how you are going to be generating. So now it will save you time, because while scene 2 is generating, scene 3 is generating, scene 4 is generating, scene 5 is generating, scene 6 is generating. So about 6 scenes is generating at a time. So that is why you need to open 6 Grok window to be generating more video. That will help you to generate video faster. So now let's go to scene 2. It has finished generating.
You're scaring me.
Okay.
What do you mean followed you? Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you?
Okay. You can see now, like the one I told you before, it's just one question that was asked and we use 10 seconds. Supposing we use 6 seconds, this silence that took time will have not been there. You understand? So, and if you come here now, look at the speech. Amelia, stop walking. Street notice, okay. You can see we have some errors because these things, Amelia stop walking. Okay, this is still the AI instructing Grok. I'm trying to get the speech that the girl said. Amelia, okay. Amelia, you are scaring me. What do you mean followed me? Okay, this is the speech. Now, Sophia Benson, late 20s, warm face, expressive woman, blah, blah, blah. Now, this is the consistency. So the Grok will be able to understand that wherever Sophia Benson is being mentioned, Now, the age should be 20. The face should be warm, expensive woman with soft eyes but strong, and blah, blah, blah. Now, the description of Sophia Benson started from this bracket or parenthesis and ended here. So, make sure that whenever Sophia Benson is being mentioned, this description should fit in. And wherever you can see Sophia Benson is still mentioned here, this description was still found. You understand? So wherever Sophia Benson is being mentioned, this description must be mentioned. Now they are in Sophia's apartment. They are in Sophia's apartment. So I'm just trying to explain the what's it called? The prompt to you. So now there's a problem we already have at hand. Let me play it again so that we get abreast with the problem. Now play it.
Amelia, you're scaring me.
That was perfect.
What do you mean followed you?
This was also perfect. But after a year, there was a problem. Remember, this is where the video is supposed to stop. But because the statement was short, the video continued and there was silence. There was silence. So there's already a problem there.
Amelia,
so supposing I
you're
use
scaring
6
me.
seconds,
What do you mean followed you?
the problem will not have been there because this speech, if it ended here, 6 seconds will have been able to do it. So what do? We have two options. Either we use it, either we come here again, either we come here and take 6 seconds for this particular video, or we leave it like this and crop it later when we are combining the scenes. We crop it later when we are combining the scene. So, but let me just use 6 seconds. Then I will regenerate. Okay, welcome back. Now the video has been created. Let's play it and see.
Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you? Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you? Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you? Amelia,
So I prefer to go with this first one.
Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you?
Okay. Now, when I'm combining the video, I will crop it. I'm going to crop it. So those are the two options you have. Either you create 6 seconds or you crop it when you are combining the video. So let's go to our scene theory and see if it has finished generating. Of course, it has finished generating since. We click on it. If you want to mute the video, this is where you mute it.
Again. It's here again.
So you can see. I really has not gone through this script, so I don't know. I'm not abreast with the script. I don't know what the AI is trying to do. I don't know. I don't know the kind of drama the AI generated, but it's for the sake of this teaching. So what I want you to do is, whenever AI gives you a movie script, please go through it yourself and make sure you have an understanding of the script so that wherever any mistake is coming in, you will know how to correct it. Okay, now I don't like this particular video that was generated, so it is here again. I will remove the 3 dots and add full stop. Just full stop. Okay, I think that was it. Okay, I'll make it 6 seconds. 6 seconds, or let me make it 10 seconds because the demo was at the back of the woman. Let's generate again. So please bear with me. I'm trying to be more practical as possible. So I hope the video is not boring to you because the challenges I am facing now and that I am correcting now is the same challenge you are going to face, and you must correct it. So as I'm correcting it now, you are learning so that when you face your own challenge, you will be able to correct it yourself. I'm going to be doing more video on how to correct many errors the AI will give to you.
It's here.
You see, the demo is just at the back of the woman.
It's here.
I can see another challenge here also, because the lips of the woman did not open. The lips of the woman did not open. So if you want people to see her lips to open, or maybe she was thinking, when you are watching movie, somebody can be thinking and you'll be hearing. So why I'm saying this now is because I did not go through the script. You understand? So when you are creating your own that you want to post, make sure you go through the script. So we've been able to create 3 scenes: scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3. So I've saved scene 1. Let me save scene 2. Right click and take save video as. This scene 1. This one will not be 2. The reason I am naming it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as the case may be, is because when you want to start combining the scenes together, you must be careful not to make mistake. So if you save it with any hard names, you are going to make mistake. So if I save in scene 1 with 1, scene 2 with 2, scene 3 with 3, scene 4 with 4, I will be able to know that, okay, this is scene 1, this is scene 2, this is scene 3 when I'm combining. I will throw more light on that when we get to where I am going to combine. So this is scene 2. I'll go to Windows 3, right click and take save video as. Oh, that one did not save. There was scene 2 did not save. Let's see. There was an error. It did not save. So this is real life situation. You will face it. File wasn't available on site. That is network problem. So remember, I told you, either you take download or you right click. I like taking right click. Reason be that it go to a particular folder that I created for a particular movie. But when you take download, it is saved in the general download of the system. You will have to start copying again and moving file around, which I don't like. I like saving my time. So I will right click again and take save video as 2. Remember, 2 did not save, so I will save it now. Okay, now it has saved very well. I will now go to Windows 3, right click and take save video as 3. Remember, I was able to know that 2 did not save because when I wanted to save 3, I did not see 2. I'm being practical with you so that you'll be able to know how to solve problem when problem come. Just like coding, you must be able to trace your problem. So I knew that scene 2 did not save because when I wanted to save scene 3, I did not see scene 2. So I've written 3, which is scene 3, and I will take save. Now, let's quickly go to how do we now combine these scenes together? How do we now combine these scenes together? Please like and follow me. Like and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you are going to enjoy this channel. Okay, that's where Microsoft Claim Champs come in. So when you open it, it's going to show you this window. All you need to do is to create a new video. Create a new video. This particular button. Click on it and you wait for it to open. Okay, it has opened and it will show you this window. It will show you this window. This is it. This is Microsoft Clip Champ. It's free of charge. You don't pay for whatever we are going to use here. You don't pay for it. So now you can see size. Remember, we are using 16:9, not 9:16. I explained that one already. Okay, now, how do we now bring those scenes that we created, that we saved? How do we bring it here? You can see import media. Import media. I will click on it. Import media. I will look for that particular folder where I saved it. I will look for it. It was on desktop and it was called what? Teaching. I will click on anything and take T. That's a bonus for you to learn. So I will open it. These are my scene. I have scene 1, I have scene 2, I have scene 3. Now, I can decide to open it one by one. I will click on it. I'll take open. It will come here. It will come here. Just wait for it to come. So you can decide to open it one by one, it's already here, or you can open it all at a time. But if you are a learner, please open it one by one in order for you not to be confused. So now this is sim 2. I can decide to highlight all of them. Sim 2, sim 3, sim 4, sim 5, sim 6, as the case may be. I want to take all to paint champ once, and I will take open. You can see the three of them are here now. So I want to bring it to the timeline. I want to bring the video to the timeline. You can see this plus button, this plus button. Whenever you hover your mouse on the video, the plus button will show up. Look at this one, and the plus button will show up. Look at this one, the plus button. So sim 1 should go first. Sim 1 should go first. We already have sim 1 here. You can see it. Now you can see this your the end. Okay, you can see. Now sim 2 should go next. I'm waiting for sim 2 to appear. You can see sim 2 is already here. Now sim 3 should go next. Okay. Now we have the 3 scene in our timeline. So let's play it and see. Let's play it and see. I will take the pointer here and double click very fast in order for it to start from the beginning.
Sophie, I told you something followed me back from Abuja. I am so scared now. I do not know what to do now. Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you?
Okay, so
It's here.
okay, you can see that sim 1, sim 2, sim 3, they are all in our timeline now. Remember I told you something that in sim 2 we are going to cut some place off. I will double click very fast in sim 2. Okay, we are going to cut some place off because it was not necessary. So let's play it now and see where we are going to cut from. I'm closing this video now, so just follow me.
Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you?
Okay, I should stop here. I don't even want the guest face to show. Let's take it back.
What do you mean followed you?
Okay, I will pause it here. Now, I want to cut from here to here. I want to cut it off. I will right click and I will take split. Split. So from this place to this place, I want to delete it because I don't need it. I will take delete on my keyboard, or I will right click and take delete. You can see it has it has been deleted. Now there's a space here already. If you leave it like that, it's going to affect your video. Also delete the space. Click on it and delete it. So now they will all match up together. Let's just play it a bit.
What to do now? Amelia, you're scaring me. What do you mean followed you? It's
You can see.
here.
So you can see now. So that unnecessary silence or unnecessary look was no longer there. So this is how you can join your video together using clean champ. I will be doing more tutorial on this. Real life situation is what I do. That's how my tutorial go. Real life problem being solved is what my tutorial entails. So now after joining everything together, you come here and take export. It's either you export in 1080 quality or you use 720 or you use 4K, and 4K you have to pay, but 1080 is enough for you. So I'm using 720. I don't want to save to cloud. Then I will name it, let me call it anything, teaching, and I will take export. So I will take export. It's trying to build up now. It's trying to build up the exports. Okay, it's already exporting. You can see it's very fast now because it's just 30 seconds video. That's why it's very fast. Okay, now it has exported. Now it's save to computer. I will come to my desktop, open my folder that I called teaching, and I will save it inside. I'll call it, okay, teaching. Okay, then I'll take save. So it's already in my computer. So whenever you open that folder now on desktop, you will see it there. So please, Follow my channel even as I post more video and share my video for other people to see. You can see, look at it here. So if you play it now, it can play as full video. It can play as full video using any player of your choice. So you can also upload it to YouTube like this. But in my in my other video, I'm also going to be teaching you how you can compress to have a smaller file. God bless you and have a nice day. Thank you. Okay, so if you want to get the master prompt from us, there's a link in my description below where you can click and download it on Telegram. So you can as well just join the Telegram. Whenever a video is being posted relating to AI, you will also be notified on the Telegram. Thank you very much and have a blessed day.